Hey, what's going on? It's Ty here. So, recently I'm doing something new. I'm doing basically one webinar per week because I'm joining like Ping Jun's and Russell Brunson's like coaching program, and they told me that I need to record at least like one webinar, or no, I have to do one webinar per week. And this is my second week, so actually, I still make zero sale, but I learned a lot during the process because there's some mistake I was making. So I want to do a quick video and talk about what are the mistake. So the first one is on the first week, I wait for them. So I say, hey, because we don't have enough people on the call. So I wait for them. And guess what? People drop out because they don't want to wait for 5 minutes just for other people. So there's one biggest mistake. So this week, I go straight to the webinar. So I didn't wait anyone. I said, hey, welcome. So I started doing that. And the retention rate is better. Another one is about my talking head. So the last week, I show my talking head. I actually show my rep camp. But this week, I hide it. I didn't show my head. I just talk on a slideshow. The retention rate is actually better if I do like that. And another thing I learned that people will jump on the call all the time. So you cannot expect they will be there on time. So what I found is that I need to put more hook in the webinar, which means no matter when they jump in the call, they should be able to see the hook. There should be a hook for them, so they will stay. Because I cannot predict when they're come, and I need to work on my offer basically. So that's the thing I want to learn about. So that is something I learned like this week because I still make zero sales because I try to sell a high ticket program. But just the practice, right? It's just something that I need to work on. So that's it. Just I want to record how do I learn and what I learning from my webinar. So that's it.